Did you know that most dip systems rely on nail glue to adhere the product to your nail? It's the same cyanoacrylate glue that we use to repair things like furniture and plastics. And this same glue in your dip system can cause something called dip flu, which results in runny nose, allergy-like symptoms, sometimes headache, and also nausea. But let's say you already own a bunch of dip powder or you love using it. What's a way you can continue to enjoy all your colors without dip flu risks? Our Attain Adhesion is a multi-purpose base coat and builder that can be used with dip powder. It's hypoallergenic and can be soaked off with acetone. To use it, simply apply a thin coating to your natural nail after you've prepped and cleansed the nail plate. Make sure you really scrub it in on this step to get the best adhesion possible. Then cure in our Attain lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a second medium layer of Attain Adhesion right over the cured surface. Don't cure and choose your favorite dip powder color. Simply sprinkle over the surface of the wet Attain Adhesion gel. Then cure in our Attain lamp for 60 seconds. Repeat this process until you've achieved the coverage that you want. Usually 2 layers is sufficient. Cure in between each layer for 60 seconds. After you're done applying your dip powder, you can refine the shape and remove any rough texture if needed. Now we're going to finish with a layer of Attain Shine to seal in that color and provide a stain-proof, ultra-glossy finish. After curing, cleanse the nail with isopropyl alcohol or our Attain Clean Cleanser. You'll have a super durable, ultra-glossy dip powder nail with none of the consequences of typical dip powder glue.